Good morning, boys and girls, and welcome to Lesson 2 for our yellow readers in Mr. W's class, our yellow readers. In our last class, we counted words because we need to learn to point to each word we read. So we're going to look at this little story here called Zoo Animals. Go ahead and say it. Zoo Animals. Good job. And if we look here, let's count the words. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 words. It sounds like this. I see a lion. Your turn. 4 words. In this word, lion, we have letters that make this word. Let's count the letters. 1, 2, 3, 4. You count them. Good. Lion has 4 letters. The most important letter today is the first letter. The first letter is L. And L says L. L, lion. Let's read the next sentence. I see a monkey. Your turn. And if we look at the picture, we see a monkey. Yes. I see a monkey. Go ahead. In this word, can you count the letters? Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 letters in the word monkey. The most important letter is our first letter. What letter is this? M. You're right. Good job. M. M makes the sound like monkey. Let's read the next one. I see a turtle. Your turn. Good job. There's the turtle. Let's look at the word turtle. Let's count the letters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 letters in the word turtle. The most important letter is our first letter. What is this first letter? Yes, it's T, and it makes the sound t, like t, turtle. Okay, so when we read our stories, we will always be looking at the first letter to help us. Okay? The first letter is the most important letter that will help us guess or know what the word is. Ready? I'm going to stop at this word. Ready? I see a... Did you say bear? Good job. You saw the picture of a bear. That's right. I see a bear. What was the most important letter in this word? You're right. The first letter is B, and B says B for bear. Excellent. Let's read the next sentences. I see a giraffe. Your turn. I see a snake. Your turn. Great job. Great job. Now, there's this story here called Bikes. And here are some pictures and sentences from this story. Let's read the whole story. Are you ready? Bikes. Bikes. Here we go. This one rides in the dirt. Your turn. Good job. This one rides in the mud. good job. This one rides in the water. This one rides in the sand. This one rides in the air. This one rides in the snow. This one rides in the grass. This one rides in the woods. This one rides in the fire. This one rides in the road. This one rides in the rocks. You are a good reader. This one rides in the rain. Good reading. I hope you're pointing to your words. Are you pointing with your finger? This one rides in the basket. Great job. Now let's look back at the beginning of this story. Bikes. In this first sentence, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 words. This word is red. Do you see it? What is the first letter of this word? You're right, it's D. And D says D, D. This one rides in the... what could this be? Beginning with D. What is this? You're right, it's dirt. Oh, that first letter helped you. Let's look at this next one again. This one rides in the... What could this word be? Look at the picture. Look at the first letter. What letter is that? M. You're right. What does M say? It says This one rides in the What could this be that begins with Mud. You're right. Mud. Wow. Look at this picture. This one rides in the... look at this word. It begins with the letter W. You're right. W is the first letter. What does W say? You're right. It says w. What could that be? This one rides in the water. You're right. Water. Let's do another one. Let's do this one. See this red word? This is the new word. This one rides in the... what is that first letter? You're right, it's S. What does S say? S. Good job. What could this be? What is he riding in that starts with S? This one rides in the sand. Oh my gosh, you're so smart. So we learned that we should always look at the first letter to help us know what the word might be. We can look at the picture and the word. Okay, let's move on. So, we read bikes. I'd like to do a little bit of work with our sounds. Do you remember how to make your hands look like my hands? You ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can you make your hands look like mine and count with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great job. Okay. I'm going to give you some words. I want you to listen, and I want you to use your hands to count them. The first word is mud. Mud. Can you say mud? Mud. Good job. Let's make the sounds in mud. M, d. Mud. Mud. How many sounds? M, d. Good job. 3 sounds in mud. Give yourself a pat on the back. All right, here's a new word. Ready? Sand. Sand. Can you say sand? Sand. Let's break it up. You ready? S, a, n, d. Sand. Sand. Let's do it again. S, a, n, d. Sand. Are you counting with your fingers? Let's do it one more time. S, a, n, d. How many sounds? You're right, 4 sounds. You are so smart. Thank you for doing those with me. Now, back to our work here. I would like you to please write these sentences on paper. I want you to write, I see a lion. I want you to write, I see a monkey. I want you to write, I see a turtle. Okay, write these on your paper. Make sure that you leave space in between the words, okay? And make sure you put your period at the end of every sentence. So please write these sentences on paper, okay? That will be your practice for writing. Thank you, boys and girls. We'll see you later.